Hello friends, welcome to our channel Live Trades. Today is 20th April 2022. It's a positive day for Nifty but a flat day for Banknifty. Nifty is up around 175 points and Banknifty is almost flat at minus 25 points. And tomorrow is Banknifty and Nifty weekly options expiry. So in this video we will discuss about option trading strategies for tomorrow. And in some stocks we will see some chart setups based on our Tdf X1 system. This is X1 system chart. You can see this is a Nifty chart, Nifty futures chart, and it closed at 17,172. In Nifty you can see we have got a sell signal running. This is a sell signal which came on this particular day, I think on 11th April, but triggered on this particular day because there was a gap down next day morning. So this signal did not trigger on this day, so actual sell signal is below this one, 17,690. so 17,680 is where we have to sell, because 10 rupees we will deduct for Nifty and 20 rupees spread we will deduct for Bank Nifty. So in this case for Nifty chart, trigger price is 17,680. It's triggered on this particular day because next day morning this gap down has happened, so we had to short at 17,575. So this is the price where we have shorted. So there was almost 100 points difference, but we cannot do anything because you can see here trigger price is 17,680, but we have shorted at 17,580. And if anybody has shorted on this particular day, then they would have made 100 points more profit. And afterwards you can see after this signal got triggered, we have got a pullback. This is very good shorting point, and you can see continuously higher time frame is in sell mode. There is no disturbance in this particular trend, and you can see here after this 3-4 days we have got this one buy signal yesterday. This buy signal, when we have got this buy signal, you can see till the point of time already we are in trending zone. You can see here this is the Tdf Zones Indicator. So this Jones indicator will tell you whether that particular stock is in uptrending zone, downtrending zone, or neutral zone. If it is in gray color, that is called a neutral zone, and if it is in red color full ribbon, that is called first downtrending zone, and if 21 dots come on this gray color ribbon, that is called second grade downtrending zone. So in this one you can see no need to count each and every dot. You can see 5, 10, 15, 20, but for this counting there must be a reference point. The reference point is this one. This oscillator is above 0 up to this particular point, and afterwards you can see it has gone below 0. This particular 0 crossover is a reference point. So from here you have to see whether that particular stock is in downtrending zone or uptrending zone. So this is a reference point, and whenever we open any chart, first of all you have to see what is the present zone of stock. So for example, if you are opening a chart today, first of all you have to see what is the present zone of this particular instrument. So this is in downtrending zone because we have got around 21 dots, but it is only second grade downtrending zone. And for this one there must be a reference point. This is a reference point. So Nifty is in downtrending zone. 3 boxes are red, and you can see here HTF line. This is called HTF indicator, higher time frame indicator. So this higher time frame indicator is in pink color. So in Nifty, at every rise you will get selling pressure, and yesterday also you can see there was a buy signal. But to take a buy signal in downtrending zone, we want multiple conditions to be satisfied. So this signal is not valid signal, and this is very good shorting band. If you shorted yesterday, you got excellent profit intraday. I think 300 points downfall has come, and today also you got a sell signal, but it is not a valid signal. Why? Because in X1 system we will take this sell signal only when previous buy signal is triggered. So in this case what has happened, previous buy signal is not triggered. That is the reason this particular signal is not valid signal. So here you can see in this consolidation, there was up and down movement. So in this one there is no valid sell signal or valid buy signal. So these two signals are not valid signals, and to take a buy signal in Nifty we want 3 conditions to be satisfied. First condition is F10 plus X1. These 2 signals must come, and the second is FCV plus dots, filter candle box plus dots must become green, and third one is HTF plus H. All these conditions are already explained in the training videos. Just go through our training videos. We have got here, you can see this is the channel Live Trades, and you can go to the playlist section. In playlist section you can see X1 system training videos is there, and X2 training videos are there, and you can see other playlists like gap trading strategies and 232 strategy. This is extremely important. You can go through this one, and this is also very important. This playlist will be having only short videos of 10 minutes duration, but extremely important videos. So please go through this one, and almost all videos are in English, Hindi and Telugu. If you see in sequence, then you can understand trading system, and it is 100% rule based system. Whatever signals that we have been showing you or conditions we have been telling you, everything is rule based here. There is no need to have any guesswork in this one. So in our software in X1 system, we have got only two signals. This is one signal, this is second signal, this is called F10 signal, and this is called X1 signal, and all other indicators are only conditions. So no need to worry about all these things. Once you get only these two signals, any of this one, then only you have to see whether to take that particular signal or not. So first of all, whenever you open any chart, first you have to see this one Jones indicator, and then you have to see the reference point. From there, we will decide whether to follow two rules or three rules for entry signal. If it is neutral zone, then we will require only two conditions. But if it is in downtrending zone or uptrending zone, to take reversal from that particular zone, we want three conditions. So first of all, you have to see this indicator, and then you have to decide what to do. So in this one, to take a buy signal, as I told you, multiple conditions must be satisfied. So whenever any stock is in downtrending zone, this kind of structure will come. This is called sine wave structure, and this is the first probability. In this one, what will happen is, the moment you buy, it will come down, and the moment you sell, it will go up. So this kind of trapping will happen, and many traders will be trapped in this one. So this is called sine wave structure. This is first probability, and wave structure is second probability. You can see here, this is called wave structure. For example, if you get this kind of movement, this is one big wave, and then you will get one pullback, and then you will get one more bigger wave. This kind of waves will come. So which pattern comes, we don't know, but we must be ready for everything. As I told you, in X1 system, everything is rule based. Whether you are getting this wave or this wave or this wave, everything is rule based here. No need to do any guesswork in this one. In X1 system, strength of X1 system is you will not be trapped in consolidation. Otherwise, if you have got any other software, you'll be trapped 10 times here in this consolidation area. But here there is no trapping. This particular point is explained in many videos with live examples, and I will also show you in Banknifty chart, where there is a very big consolidation which has happened in last week. And in this one Nifty, you can see here higher time frame is supporting the blockage rate. So any pullback up to these dots, already dots have come here, so it is almost near. So if you get one gap up tomorrow morning, you can take a short position, and afterwards, if all conditions are satisfied, then we can take a long position depending upon the conditions. Because if any stock is in downtrending zone, it will not immediately go up 1000 points. Sine wave structure may come or wave structure may come, so wait for that one and follow rules, and let us see option table afterwards. First of all, I'll show you Banknifty chart. So this is Banknifty chart. You can see here in this one there was a big consolidation that has happened. Earlier we have got a buy signal here, and the signal has given excellent profit. And in this area you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals are there. All these signals are clearly explained in the previous video. So this is not valid, this is not valid, this is also not valid, all these are not valid. Only this is valid and triggered here. I'll just zoom the chart. So main point to understand is, in this big consolidation there is no fake signal in our X1 system. This is the strength of X1 system. And when I made last video, I think on Friday, this sell signal got triggered, and I told you very clearly that at least 200-300 points are due in Nifty, and 36,500 is coming in Banknifty. Whatever I say, it is based on charts, so I don't try to do any guesswork here. But depending upon the consolidation that has happened, many people are trapped here. So one big wave will come. This has come here. You can see almost from which level this sell signal got triggered, 37,600. So from 37,600, now we are at 36,500. So almost 1000 points profit has come in this one, even if you take up to today's closing. And as of now, you can see present condition, filter is red, so there is no buying pressure, and two boxes are red, so bearish momentum is there, and higher time frame indicator is also in pink color, so every pullback will be shorted. And in this one, important point to understand is, Nifty chart is in downtrending zone, but Banknifty chart is not in downtrending zone. Put a period separator, so you can see here after the zero crossover there will be a sharp pullback has come. Here you can see whenever we get a buy signal with the filter in red color, that is a very good point to take a short position. Why? Because this is sensitive indicator, so for small up and down movement it will become green and red, but here you can see in this particular moment there is no color change in this one. So this itself is telling you to short yesterday, and if you short yesterday, I think from year to year almost 3,000 points fall has come yesterday in last 15-20 minutes. This will be the result if you understand and follow rules. So try to follow rules. If you don't follow rules and if you don't have a rule-based system, ultimately you will be doing some guesswork and losing money. But in our system, there is no guesswork. There are 5 signals here, but all signals are not valid signals. And there is only one valid signal. It has given you excellent profit and 1,000 points profit is there. And yesterday there was one more opportunity to take a short position, and even tomorrow also if you get a pullback or no gap up, you can wait for that one. No, you can just analyze whether it is fake gap or weak gap, real gap or normalized gap, because you can see in our gap trading strategies we have given 4 types of gaps in our trading system. Those are fake gap, weak gap, real gap and normalized gap. So you have to see which type of gap is that one. So tomorrow if you get a gap up, we have to see first of all what is that gap. If it is fake gap, immediately you can take a short position, or if it is weak gap, you can wait for some more confirmation and then you can short. This has escaped this buy signal, so this is called semi-trending zone. So Banknifty is in semi-trending zone and Nifty is in downtrending zone. So any stock, if it is in semi-trending zone, we have to take a buy signal only from this one. F trend signal has to come, and X1 signal will not be enough. So don't this one now take this X1 signal. So you have to wait for F trend signal in semi-trending zone. And in this one, if all conditions are satisfied, then we can take a reversal, but no, try to short once again if you get a gap up tomorrow, because option data is very strong in Nifty but not so strong in Banknifty. Let us go to option table. This is Nifty option table. This is extremely bullish option table. Based on this, tomorrow we must get at least 100 point gap up, at least 50 points gap up must come, even if 100 points do not come. But let us see what will happen. Banknifty option table is not so strong. So Nifty and Banknifty both are not moving in same direction. I think last week or before that week also same pattern has come. So tomorrow we are expecting a lot of volatility based on this one. So Nifty will try to go up, and Banknifty you will get sell impulse at every rise. So if you get a gap up tomorrow morning up to 17,250 or 300 levels, and now it closed at I think 17,150, then you can short at 17,300 or 250 levels with 50-60 point stop loss. So this particular option table, based on this one, there must be a gap up tomorrow, and our probable expiry is coming to 17,200. This is based on present calculation. Whatever option table is there as of now, whatever values are there here, based on this one, we are getting expiry at 17,200. So tomorrow this will change, because a lot of all these values will change, IVs will change, this open interest will change, everything will change. So probable expiry will also change. So as of now, present option table is giving you this one 17,200 level as probable expiry. So there is some room to go up if there is no bad news from international market. And let us see Banknifty chart. In Banknifty also we are getting 36,500 as expiry. Now we are at 36,300. So here also we are getting upside expiry. So we have recommended to take one butterfly position at 36,700 strike price. So let us see what will happen. Tomorrow we are expecting expiry between 36,500 to 700 based on this particular option table, because based on present option table expiry is coming to 36,500, and based on the bullishness of Nifty we are expecting this particular range. So tomorrow we are expecting some volatility, because in option table it's okay, everything is looking okay, but in chart at every rise you will get some selling pressure in Banknifty and Nifty. And if you follow the rules, ultimately you can make money in this market. If you don't have correct system, or if you are not following any rule-based system, ultimately you will be trading with emotions and losing money. So whether to take my system or somebody's system, but try to follow one rule-based system. And let us see this one Dow Jones chart. It is going up, and this is not valid, this is not valid, all these everything is based on rules. Software will not know that this is Dow Jones chart and this is Nasdaq chart. You can see here also this is not valid, this is not valid, and this is as of now it is not valid. Probably after some time this may give you a valid signal. Why? Because this is in downtrending zone. In downtrending zone we want multiple conditions to be satisfied. Nasdaq chart also you can see there is a lot of consolidation, but there is no fakes in our system. So this is the strength of X1 system. So try to follow rule-based system like ours, and let us see some other chart. Or before that I'll just show you this one X2 system. This is X2 system. You can see this is specially made for Banknifty and Nifty options. So whenever you get this one skull, if it comes you have to take a buy position, and this is a sell signal, this is a buy signal, this is a sell signal. You can see it has given yesterday at excellent point. So this is a simple system without any rules here. In X1 system you need to follow some rules, but in X2 system there are no rules. and X2 is to trade options because it catches momentum, and X1 is to catch trends and swings. So this is suitable for futures traders, this is suitable for option traders. If you are interested, you can purchase these two systems from tdftrader.com. Link is in description box. And let us see gold chart once. This is X2 system gold chart. You can see we have got a sell signal here. This is triggered at I think 1950. Now we are at same level. You can short gold now. And silver, there is no sell signal as of now. This is in buy only. And crude oil, you can see we have got a buy signal running, and if this level breaks, I think it has given this sell signal. I think it is triggered. Let me see once, because it was in neutral zone. So in neutral zone, either this one or this one has to come. Whichever comes first is our valid signal. So here you can see we've got X1 signal. So X1 signal is already triggered here at 103.1. So we are almost at same price. You can short it here in crude oil. And for Nifty and Banknifty, we are providing probable expiry level at 130 and 230 on every expiry day. You can see here, this is our Twitter account. So here we are updating at 130 and 230 about this probable expiry. This is extremely important if you have got some knowledge about option trading. If you are a serious trader, you must have some view on expiry level. So we have got almost more than 80% accuracy in this one based on our proprietary calculation. So try to follow this one. If you want notification, you can just follow our Twitter handle. So you can see every week's values also. Almost last week it has closed at this price only, plus or minus 30-40 points I think. So try to follow this one if you are interested, and based on this one you can do scalping, you can do some strategy selling or any other strategy whichever you follow on expiry day. This is extremely important level to watch. And try to follow Telegram channel. There we are providing euro or zero option also for free. So if you are interested, you can follow Telegram channel. Same name is there. Follow Telegram channel, live trades. And now we will see some stock charts. All stock charts we cannot see now because the video will become lengthy. We will see only 3 charts because these are important. HDFC Bank and HDFC Life. This one Infosys, because there was a big downfall in HDFC. This is HDFC stock. You can see this is the sell signal, but it's a weak sell signal. It has become valid somewhere here because all conditions to be satisfied. And afterwards you can see we have got earlier buy signal somewhere here before merger news. This is the merger news effect, and it has gone below that particular level. You can see here this was a buy signal where our system has given the buy signal, and afterwards you got merger news here, and this has come down even below this level. So there is something wrong in this one. I don't know what is the problem, but if you are following the charts, there is no need to follow any other news. So this system has given you buy signal at valid point, important point, and sell also at very good point. So you got profit in both ways. This is the effect of rule based trading. So don't do any guesswork in market and trade. So as of now it is in downtrending zone, second grade downtrending zone. So all pullbacks must be shorted. So tomorrow if you get a pullback, you can short this one. Let us see HDFC Bank chart. Similar chart is there, and this is the HDFC Bank chart. You can see same signal here. So here you got a buy signal, gave very good profit here, and you got a sell signal, but conditions are satisfied somewhere here, and then you can see from 1530 to almost 200 points downfall here, and now as of now it is in downtrending zone. So here also all pullbacks need to be shorted. So there is no hurry for Bank Nifty to go up. So at every rise you will get selling pressure. And let us see Infosys chart, because it was down around I think 10%. We have got a sell signal in this one. You can see this was a sell signal at this one 19. Let us see the value here, 1870. So 1870 is a sell trigger point, and from there you can see we are almost at 1591. So 300 points this one. And in this one important point is there, you can see we have got a this one downtrending zone, first grade downtrending zone indication, and you can see even from this level it has gone excellent profit here from 1834. We are at 1590 now. So here also in this one you can short all pullbacks in this one downtrending zone. This kind of structure will come, all pullbacks need to be shorted, and afterwards there will be some consolidation, and this effect will be there as long as this oscillator will be above zero. So HDFC Bank and Infosys are the candidates to short at every rise. So you can follow rules and trade, and there are many charts here. You can see all major charts I follow, and if you want to see some more chart, you can see this particular data feed comes with lot of this one instruments here. You can see NSE cash, NSE futures, MCX, NCDX, and international markets. Further you can see gold, silver, COMEX instruments will come, and here you can see even this one global indices will come here. And for forex you can see all pairs, and in cryptos also you can see almost all cryptos. So this system is for all world markets and all instruments and all time frames. You can trade whichever time frame you want. M1 is for intraday, M5 is also for intraday. M15 is a preferred time frame. Why? Because we can trade both intraday and swing trading from this particular time frame. So whichever time frame you want, you can trade. And if you want, you can even follow other time frames like bigger time frames to catch big trends. And if I investor also, we have got separate playlist here in our system. You can see investing with Tdf Zones Indicator. You can use H4 and daily charts to spot big trends and trade based on this Tdf Zones Indicator. Everything is rule based here, no need to do any guesswork in this one. And if you're interested, you can purchase these two systems from tdftrader.com. And we will end up this video here, and let us meet in next video. Thanks for watching.